Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to recreate any YouTube thumbnail. Now, as you can see here, I'm on YouTube, guys, and I just come across this video here with just this interesting thumbnail that stand out, right? And this is basically a video of CapCut, and yeah, that looks really cool, right? Now, how do you go about recreating this with AI? All you have to do is just head over to the URL of this YouTube video, copy the URL, and guess what? You want to use vidiq. Now, vidiq Premium or the Pro version of vidiq allows you to recreate YouTube thumbnails with the use of AI. Now, on the left hand side, you have many options. One of them is YouTube thumbnail. And what you want to do, just simple click on that. And here you have a reference option. You have video, you have subject, and you have reference. So if you click on video, basically you have to upload a video and it will create a YouTube thumbnail for you, or you do the subject one, which you basically can just write whatever you want and so forth, right? Or you can simply do the reference. So you can type something here and just simply create like I did here by simple asking how to use Windows PC. So click on the reference option, right? If you find a YouTube thumbnail that you like, and you can search, so you can either enter the URL there and it will search for that YouTube video with the thumbnail. You just simply click on that and click on continue. And what's going to happen here, once you do that, you simply want to go ahead and click on create, and it's going to start generate and create from that idea that you've selected. Now, as you can see here, it's currently generating, and I just need to allow the AI to try to create something from that idea that I've given to it. So let's just give it a moment, and yeah, let's watch and see what this vidiq AI is going to create. Have a look at that. How cool is that? Now, what I must say, it does a really good job. It doesn't bring the specific, let's say, logo, which is fine, but the idea is really cool, ain't it? And I just want to say that I think that the vidiq AI has done a good job. Now, if you look at the video that you the A- now if you look at that video which I showed you that has that thumbnail, it looks really interesting. Now, if you want to have the same logo, obviously, then you want to do a little bit more modification or editing so that you can add your own logo onto it. It's very easy. You just need to remove it, and that's something that's not hard and you can add. But the whole idea of getting a similar thumbnail, it's really fascinating, and those options are really cool. So guys, if you're looking for a way how to basically use the power of AI to recreate any thumbnail, I really suggest that you use vidiq, because I'm telling you guys, the vidiq can really create some really interesting things, and those thumbnails are really cool. So this is how you can use the power of AI, guys, to recreate any thumbnail that you find on YouTube by simply using the vidiq thumbnail reference generator. Very cool, guys.